Hello and thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add image galleries inside of a WordPress page. So, to get started, let's go ahead and go to Pages. And then let's choose a page that we're going to add a gallery to. I think it makes sense to choose the image page. First, we have to choose where we're going to add this gallery. Is it going to be at the top of the page? Is it going to be at the bottom of the page? Where do we want it to be? I think for the sake of this example, we're going to go ahead and put it at the top of the page. So I'm going to bump down my content here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Media. At this point, I've not uploaded any of the images that I'm going to want to put in my gallery. So I'll be doing that during this as well. I'm going to choose Create Gallery. And then I can choose from a media library, and I can select or deselect images as I see fit there. But like I said, I haven't uploaded the images I want in this particular gallery, so I'm going to choose Upload Files. And as always, you can either select files manually or you can drag and drop files. I happen to have some files over here already selected that I'm going to just drag and drop. Notice you can drag multiple files at once, which will make this a lot easier for you. I've got 6 here, so I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop those files. And notice that it also auto-selects the files that I've just dragged in, so I don't have to go and reselect them. Now, if I did want to mix files that are already in my media library with newly uploaded files, this would be a good way to do that. So for example, I can go ahead and add this or take that away as I see fit. Another good thing that's a good habit to be in is you can go ahead and give your images a good title and a good alt text, and you can do that for each image. I'm not going to take the time to do that right now, but again, it's not a bad idea to consider doing that. And then I can go ahead and hit Create New Gallery. So now I've created a gallery, and I have a couple of additional choices I need to make. Do I want the images to link to an attachment page, or do I want them to link to a media file? Linking to an attachment page is going to take you literally to another page when you click on that image. You can also link to a media file. Now, that's usually, if you're using some kind of a Lightbox plugin, that's typically what you're going to want to do, because the way the Lightbox plugins work is they look for an image that is basically linked to its media file, and if that is the case, then when you click on that image, a nice Lightbox appears and the image displays. So if you're using any kind of Lightbox plugin, that's likely what you're going to want to do. Or if you just want to display images and that's it, you don't want any other functionality, you don't want them to be clickable or anything like that, you just click None. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and click None. And then you have to decide how many columns. So right now I've got 6 images, so I think that'll look nice in 3 columns. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it at 3. And then what order? Do you want them to be in a random order, or do you want them to be in a particular order? I think for this sake, I'm just going to choose random order. And then click Insert Gallery. Now it doesn't look much like a gallery here, but to see it, we're going to go to Preview Changes. And here we have our image gallery. That's pretty much it. If you need to edit the image gallery, click on the gallery, click on this little edit button right here, edit gallery, and then you can get back into here and edit your gallery as needed. You can also add captions here. And sometimes that's helpful too. Let's go preview that. And the captions will be based on, will be affected by what theme you're using. And that's pretty much it for how to add an image gallery to a WordPress page or post. Thanks, hope you enjoyed watching, and hope you'll watch more videos.